Hello and welcome to I Can Work, brought to you by Therapro Inc. My name is Angie Mahoney and I'm the author of I Can Work. I Can Work is a 5-modular based curriculum designed to integrate hands-on learning paired with communication skills to help all individuals create a strong foundation for vocational success. Today we're going to be talking about student portfolios. What I'd like to show you are some variety of ways you can create portfolios to track successful completion of tasks, have all that important data in one place, as well as student reflection. One version of a portfolio you can create is a text version. These worksheets can be found in the I Can Work curriculum, purchased at therapro.com. What you would begin with is a manila folder per student, and you would determine are they a text or a picture version student and user. This is an example of a text version. You can see here it has jobs I've completed, as well as date, a space for the job, and an opportunity to reflect. This is meant for the individual to collect at the end of their task or their employment, remove from their bin or their location, and independently fill in. So you have an example on the side of how to act like a professional, and you would include professional statements about the job, as well as reminders on how to act like a professional. Additionally, in this portfolio, you would include word walls, as well as for each of the 5 modules, data collection processes. So each table would be included in every student's portfolio, and this would allow you to have one place for all important information related to that student's progression in one spot. If you found the text version was too high or tricky and you needed more of a picture-supported version for different students, you could create this portfolio, where you would copy the same jobs I've completed form, but in this version there's a date and job place to be filled out by the student or the facilitator, and then each reflection has a visual to support what it's expressing. Did you like your job today? Did you think your job was good, or was it frustrating? Do you feel proud? These are each examples here that individuals can either circle, bingo mark, or point to as reflection following the job. Additionally, there are visually supported professional statements. Now, please note that in both, these are differentiated lessons that can be presented at the same time. What's great about this is that one group of students can benefit from the text or the picture-supported version and still learn the same skills related to how to act like a professional and what is expected of them during that I Can Work session. What I also like about the manila folders is that students can be a part of the process. In my classroom in the past, I had them decorate, they would design theirs to be unique, and then determine what sides to staple what, and we would review what's in the portfolio. That was a really nice lesson to tie in the start of our session. You can also have them pre-made and have students learn what's in them on their first session with you. After you create these folders, create a bin or a space to have them stored, because each time students come to you, they're going to be accessing these and removing them, independently reflecting on their task and their job, and then filing them back. Additionally, if you didn't want to create or hand make portfolios, I Can Work now has pre-printed and pre-made workbooks. These workbooks are rich with information and really a nice resource to add to your toolbox. In these portfolios and workbooks, not only does it have a table of contents, it has every text version worksheet, as well as observation table, interest inventories, as well as word walls related to the entire curriculum. At the end of the workbook, it has a multitude of pages for tracking job completion. What's nice about this workbook is that after a year, if the individual you're working with is transitioning to another case manager or location, this workbook can follow that individual so that everything worked on in the foundational skills, as well as reflection, what worked, what didn't, can stay with the individual and the growth can continue. If you found the text version to be not what you're looking for or not ready or right for every individual, we also have available the picture version. Again, the All About Me is in there, allowing you to have interest inventories. It has the Who Am I picture supported, our word walls, as well as data collection. This again is a rich opportunity to track over time all the hard work students are doing, as well as show progression, what has worked and what has not. Again, student reflection and tracking of data completed towards work goals is critical with transition planning. And all the hard work you're doing and working with individuals for can really be shown in these student portfolios. Please remember every little bit that you're doing matters and counts on this path to vocational success for all. Please continue to check out I Can Work Therapro on Facebook and follow for weekly updates. Thank you for all that you do.